Tired of fighting everyone at the mall for the back to school specials and deals? Here are a few ideas that might help get you back on track, save you time, and save you money for your back to school needs. Now, decluttering may not be on your list right now because you're just like, I gotta go get the deals, I gotta go get the sales. But decluttering can really help. If you go looking, you might find gift cards all over your house, in your kids' rooms, in your purse, in your car. They might be for food, one for phone products. I have a gas one. 2 for household big box stores. You could get all sorts of items from those stores that you're going to go to anyways. Why not use up the last of your gift cards? I have a clothing store that's undergarment stores. Woo! Because when you buy some, you get points, you get bonuses. Maybe they've got super sales, plus you can get bonuses. It's from Christmas. And if you're using up the last few dollars on those cards, you can declutter them and you can clean them up. And on your regular credit card, use up those points, use up these cards. You might save yourself a few dollars here and there. Add up. You'll just find your budget can go a little further. The second place you need to go is that closet. What do you wear? What don't you wear? If you're a parent, kids have been wanting to look at and borrow clothes all the time, and they wear it more than you do, maybe it becomes theirs. You have items that your kids can pass down to each other. You know, the hand-me-downs. Have friends and family that have children the same age or different ages that you can do a clothing swap. And the hair products, maybe you have too many of those that you could declutter and trade out. Maybe you could sell some of your items online, make a few dollars, or swap online, or get your friends all together or your family all together and have a big swap. It can save you a lot of money. You can get a lot of items pretty quickly, have fun, and then you'll see what you need. Because decluttering your closet and having it organized will save you time in the morning when you're going back to school, starting that new job, that new season, when you might not want to do your decluttering. You might want to rush off to the store and say, I don't have time. But just take a quick inventory of what you have and what you really need. Because it doesn't all have to be brand new for school or brand new for the new job. See what's missing. Did you buy a whole bunch of craft supplies and school supplies last year or over the summer, and they're in your craft room or the kids' playroom and you don't know where they are? Don't bother buying a whole bunch more. Just go find them. Declutter. See what you have before you go shopping. Because you might find old pencil cases, new pencil cases that you bought on sale and then forgot where you put them. And all those craft supplies and pencils and all sorts of fun items that you have but never used. Could be just cleaned up a little, you know, stickers off, personalized. And the kids have it for the new year. And you know, you're not going to buy in a whole nother set of 100 pencils and 100 pens when you have 300 sitting in the drawer somewhere and pencil cases full of it all over the place, stashed. And even brand new ones that you've never used. Tucked away, hidden in those drawers, hiding on that shelf. That hidden space may look messy until you pull it all out and see that they're all new books that haven't been used. So that one can be used for everybody. This one, okay. That one's not going to be wanted the first day of school. All this loose paper, that'll work great in binders. All these are new, not been used. Maybe have only a couple pages used, but that'll start them off for the school year. It's not too hard to make it look neat and tidy and find the best out of the bunch. Make it work for you. Arts and crafts containers, they're messed and full and need to be cleaned. All the stuff that kids love to have for school might just be hiding and lurking in with your office supplies and your school supplies and craft supplies could be hiding and lurking behind all those hidden places. Or just right out in the open. We all know I have a clutter problem, and maybe you do too. So we can tackle the clutter issues and save some money. And save your time at fighting at the mall with all those people, because you're kind of leaving it to last minute if you're still shopping. Another place that is wonderful to declutter: your jewelry boxes and your makeup and hair accessories. Because how much of it do I use? How much of it's old? How much do I really need to buy? For teenagers, for adults, this can be an important question. Maybe you've never used 10 out of 30 of those items, or give them away if they're not old, and the last thing you want is to try to put on mascara that's all gunky and out of date and gives you an eye infection the first day of school or the first day of that new job. Maybe it's time to declutter. Just maybe. So you can find what you need. Your costume jewelry. Sometimes you can find a few old items that you no longer wear, but the kids might just love them. And that'll spice up their little wardrobe and make them feel a little happier. Little bracelets that might make them fancy for a day and feel special. Because so not everybody can afford a lot, or not everybody has time to get everything ready before school starts. And another big thing that people forget is everybody wants to go shopping before school to get everything. You might want to just make sure you get what you need for that first week, and then see what the sales are again next week when you have a little bit more time and maybe the stores are a little less busy and the sales are even better. So your money can be stretched further. You can fill in the blanks of what you're missing and what you just couldn't really afford at full price or half price becomes a lot more affordable. And throughout the month of September, it'll likely go to 70% off. So you can have a couple new items each week, mix and match with older items, and make everybody happy. And you might even save time getting ready in the morning because you're organized and have it all easy ready to go, instead of stressing out and fighting and arguing every morning, because nobody needs that. Sell whatever you don't need, give away what you don't need, help somebody else. Because online groups, they really are helpful. And post what you're selling, what you're not using. Maybe you can make some money, so that will boost your budget. And you can reinvest in you. So happy back to school, everyone.